Hi, I'm Diane and welcome to my watercolor painting channel. I was painting in the studio the other day and it occurred to me that maybe you might be looking for a subject to paint as a gift for someone. So today I'd like to show you how I paint one of my favourite subjects, bumblebees and flowers. The materials I'm using are listed in the description below the video, but if you have a small set of watercolour paints, you'll probably find suitable colours in that. You don't need to use exactly the colours that I'm using. You will need a piece of watercolour paper of 140 pounds weight or more. Maybe you'll find something like that in most art shops. And you'll need a watercolour brush, a round one, about size 7 or 8 ideally, plus of course a pencil and an eraser. First of all, I'm going to just do a quick sketch. My sketches tend to be quite simple. I just basically do the rough outline, give myself plenty of freedom to paint and allow the paint to go where it wants to go. So there we have 2 flowers, and we have a bee here. You could say my bees are perhaps a little stylized, because they're not what I would call biologically accurate, but it's a case of just giving the impression. I'm using a number 9 round brush to start off with, because I'm going to be doing the bee first. So we need some yellow. This is quinacridone gold. And black. And just let it run a bit. Don't need to rinse the brush between yellow and black. Just pick up the black on top of the yellow. Gives a more natural appearance to the eye. And when I do the wings for this particular style, I just draw some colour up from below. Allowing the black to run into the yellow gives you a slightly furry effect, because bumblebees are furry. And when it's a bit drier, I can go back and add some more colour. When I do the green here, I always start with an underpainting in yellow. And then go in with a dark green on top. Bit of purple. Dab off a bit of surplus paint. This other one I'm going to do with blues. And again a bit of purple perhaps. Now this is Permanent Rose. And this one, it's going to be a slightly lighter yellow. So. And maybe keep to a very restricted palette, because everything always looks better then. Too many colours clash. Okay, now I'm just going to go back to the bee with a bit more yellow. And at this point, it's worth just stopping and letting it dry. Always tempting to go in and do something extra at this point though. Be a bit more dark.